We also now have another caller, Pat from Chipley. Pat, if you would, go ahead.
Yes, I wanted to know what is required that you can do to keep the nursing home from taking your property if you was admitted into the nursing home.
Okay, and that deals with a lot of different issues depending on how and why you are paying for that stay in the nursing home. John, if you would, just tell some of the different issues that you have to deal with in order, and what type of assets are protected and what they can and cannot come after.
That's right. So that one gets, as Ted says, that's a really multifaceted, very complex kind of issue. But basically, we can approach it as simply as you've put it. How do we protect your assets? And namely, creating different types of trusts, because what generally happens is you go into a home where they're going to care for you. If you have the money, they're going to want you to pay it. Medicaid will come in, but the thresholds are so very, very low. It's only a couple $1,000s that you can actually have to your name before you to qualify. So if you have any money in retirement, things like that, they're going to make you spend that first. The result is we can do some things, creating different types of trusts and moving things into those entities that will preserve it, and then it doesn't count as an asset for that purpose. So it's not countable against you for Medicaid. As always in Florida, it's a wonderful thing. It's in the Constitution of the state of Florida. Your home has homestead exemptions on many, many different things. One of those that's still recognized to this day by Medicaid is that your home is exempt. So that doesn't count against you, but there are some things you do have to do. You have to be wanting and to some degree able to return to your home. Again, these are really complicated kind of things. Doesn't make a lot of sense on TV right now, but what I get down to is we can talk to you through those things and really explain it to you so that there are many mechanisms to do to preserve those things.
Right, and that's one of the great things, as we all have said before, Florida and the homestead protection that we have here is very powerful.